Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, here to bring you a mini Dollar Tree haul. So, I had to, guys. I just had to. I am going to confess this right now. I had to go to the Dollar Tree today. And I had to go because I had a collaboration that I had done with the girls, the Fab Five, BOK Media Life, Philicia, Ivy Doll, Malinda, the Creole Crafter, Donna, and Kay with At Home with Kay, right? And we had to use the plasticware that you can find at the Dollar Tree or at Dollar General. Now that collaboration video went up today. So if you go and check my videos, you'll see that that video went up today. I think the title is High-End Decor Using Plasticware from Dollar Tree. Now, if you don't see it, I am going to still link it in this mini Dollar Tree haul video. Now, the reason why I had to go is because I ran out of the white rocks that I used to create this beautiful planter. Is this not cute? Now, if you want to see the full tutorial, again, just go ahead and either click on the description and then just look and you'll see the link to this video wherein I show you how to create this, and or just go to your notification. If you subscribe to my channel, you should have received a notification about this collaboration. Now, speaking of collaborations, I also had a collaboration yesterday with Brenda with Rustic and Lace DIY, and then Christine with DIY Craftaholic. They were the host, and then the guest host for that collaboration was Jess with Glue La La. And so the premise of that collaboration was to create something made of wood. So this is their monthly collaboration, and it's what would you make. So you had to use wood items in your decor, and there was no limit. And so I made sure I told everyone that I needed to go to Dollar Tree to go get some more rocks, right? Because as you can see, this one has no rocks in it. So I need to complete the set because my intentions is to give this to my granddaughter who's only 5 and let her keep this in her room. And I know that she's going to think it's really cute. And so I think this is cute. And if not, I can take it to work and just sit it on my desk. So I need to complete the set. You all understand, right? Okay. So we're going to leave this here because, like I said, I had to go to the Dollar Tree to pick up those rocks. Now, while at the Dollar Tree, I remembered watching Craft Away with May's haul video when that she uploaded to the channel last week. And if you have yet to check out May's channel, please head on over to Craft Away with May. Tell her that Joy said hello, and that let her know that Joy is blaming her for this purchase that she made. And trust me, guys, May and I are really good friends, so there's no content creator beef or anything. This is all fun. And so May had this pretty, gorgeous wallpaper. And so when I saw it, I knew that if I went to my Dollar Tree and it was there, I was going to buy a sheet. However, what I wasn't planning on was finding several pretty prints to purchase. Guys, let's just get into it. Look at this. I don't know if this is doing it any justice, but can you see this? Look at that print. Is this not gorgeous? Gorgeous. Moving right along. Look at this, guys. Look Look at that. Now I bought 2 of those, but with fall coming up, you know, I was thinking ahead, guys. So I bought 4 of these. Look at that. It's, again, guys, when I say this wallpaper is all that, head on over to your Dollar Tree, check out their wallpaper section and see if you can find these prints, because they are beautiful. So then, guys, look. Stop the presses. Is this not gorgeous? If you were me, would you have purchased this? You would have. I know you would have. Gorgeous. Again, look at this print. Look at that. I did buy 4 of those as well, because I like this print a lot better than this print. Now all 3 of these are gorgeous. Okay. I have not seen these, and you may have these in your stores. Don't get me wrong, but they are new to my Dollar Tree. Trust me, I know. And then you can't really tell. I'm gonna try to see if I come in closer. Can you tell? No, you can't tell. Maybe if I come back some. Can you tell? This is like a marble look, but the veins in this is like a goldish undertone. It's pretty. And this is just like a shiplap look, but I haven't seen this. I've seen the other kind with the gray. This has this is like a lighter panel. It's a lighter color, like a birchwood almost. That's what this looks like. I had to, guys. I just had to. And then, okay, for no reason other than this will make a good backdrop. Black. Just when you're a crafter, you think of so many different things, right? Guys, this one, I had to get 4 of these too. Look at this. Look at this. Wouldn't you have purchased these as well? You would have got it too. Now here's the thing, guys. I already know that Philicia with BOK Media, she's gonna tell Uncle T. But I want the rest of you all to keep it to yourself. And if Uncle T come to you to try to confirm whether or not I purchased this, because he won't see this, right? He won't see this. He very rarely comes up to my crafting room. Rarely. Unless I need something fixed or need something moved or something like that. He very rarely comes up here. Maybe because it's on the 3rd floor of the house. But he very rarely comes up here. But if you tell him, you're going to give him reason to come up here. Shh. Philicia. Shh. Okay. I told you it's mini. It's a mini haul, guys. Okay. I had to for no other reason than these were cute and they would be pretty in a project. Look at that. Let me see. Can you see? Right there. Look at that. Is that not cute? Cute. Some of you may have seen this, but again, this is new to my Dollar Tree. live well, laugh often, and love much. This is my favorite saying. So I, of course, had to get that. I can't say my favorite, but one of them. And then this is cute. Family is forever. And you know Thanksgiving is coming up, and these are very pretty colors, which I like the sage color, guys. Turquoise is my favorite color, but I do like sage. Forever thankful, always grateful, and abundantly blessed. This is me. So, yeah. And last but not least, the rocks. I have the rocks. So guys, that was it for that Dollar Tree haul. That wasn't too much. That wasn't outrageous, right guys? It wasn't as large as the one from last week. Not at all. Not at all. And if you have yet to check out my haul video, I know it was a little long, but I've been sitting on that for, well, since about February, March. So I had to get it out. I had to clear out my drafts and just go ahead and upload it to the channel. So now, while I'm going to turn you down a little bit, only because I'm not going to turn this in the orientation that we normally film in. So I'm going to turn this right here so you can see that I am true to my word. Gotta find some scissors, guys. And then I gotta leave to go pick up my baby girl from work. Uncle T is at work. And as you can see, I am finishing up my collaboration video on this Dollar Tree haul. It's so fitting. And because I don't have any more of the other one, I'm just going to oops, let's put that back in because the stem isn't as long. I'll just cut it down. I'm just going to, maybe I should put one of each in there. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll put one of each in there. And you know what I did forget while I got excited about the wallpaper, guys? I forgot the batteries. The Dollar Tree batteries work fine for these fairy lights. I have a DIY that I created back in 2019, and it's still going, believe it or not. I'm using the original batteries. So let's put this right here. Because I want this to sit right here for now while I craft and look at it, I am going to again finish this one on live. Well, not live, it's pre-recorded. I wanted you guys to see that I do craft my stash. Now, I've already had these succulents. I actually have a box of succulents that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I've I've been collecting these over since 2019, so I do have a lot of the succulents. This rock is in the way, guys. So there you have it. I have completed the set, and I will show you the set. Is this not cute, guys? Look at this. This is so cute. It's cute. Okay, guys, that's all that I have for you. Now, I am just going to say, let me lift you back up a little bit. Oops, come off the tripod. I will be uploading another collaboration video to the channel on Wednesday, June 26th, and it is with none other than BOK Media Life, my girl, Philicia, and ironically, she titled this one, Craft Your Stash, Uncle T Approved. Guys, I am not a hoarder, and it may look like it, but I'm not. My area is getting organized, and everything is nicely and neatly stacked. Anyway, guys, that's all that I have for you. I'm just on here just being silly and just showing you this mini haul. If for some reason you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please click on that red subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to my channel. If you have yet to watch the collaboration video from yesterday, the What Would You Make collaboration video with Brenda with Rustic and Lace DIY, Christine with DIY Craftaholic, and guest host Jess with Glue La La, or the collaboration video with the Fab Five, which consists of Philicia with BOK Media, Abby Dolled, that's Malinda, the Creole Crafter, that's Donna, as well as Kay, at Home with Kay. Please make sure you check out those collaborations. Please support these beautiful ladies. They all are so talented, and they all bring many different things to their channels. So please support them. Again, support me if you have yet to subscribe to my channel. And also, don't forget to go over and support May, Craft Away with May. You're going to love her. I just love May. She's just the sweetest. But that's all I have for you guys. I am getting ready to leave to go pick up my daughter. It is Monday, June 24th at 9:40. And before I sign off, I want to wish my oldest son, Junior, a happy 41st birthday. That's right, guys. We have a 41-year-old son, and we cannot be more thankful for him. We love him. We pray that God continues to bless him and keep him year after year, and that he just gives him overflow. So again, without any further ado, please wish my son a happy birthday, and I will speak to you all in the next DIY. Bye, guys.